This is a intelligent doorbell. No wiring. Is a body sensor. Okay, motion sensor doorbell. So it's not like a usual doorbell. One you put outside, let the guest press button. Inside our house, we put another doorbell telling us that somebody coming in. Okay, but for this one, don't need. This is an intelligent, so it just sends motion sensor. One is send somebody walk by or standing in front of the door. You will detect it and let you know that somebody coming in. Yeah. This doorbell operate by 3 unit AAA battery. You can use a normal AAA battery, or you can also use a rechargeable battery. But this wireless doorbell cannot charge this battery. You have to remove this battery and use the battery charger to charge this rechargeable battery. Okay. Another one is you also can use a DC 9V power adapter. DC 9V power adapter means that you don't need to use any power, don't need to use any battery. You can remove your battery and you plug in the DC 9V power adapter. Okay. So another one is you also can use this 9V. Okay, this is a 9V USB 9V. Okay, this is a 5. Our USB is 5V. Then this one inside got a circuit. Okay, it convert to 9V. Okay, so from here we can use our extra phone charger. Here got the on-off switch. You can control when you want to switch on or want to switch off. And here got the music. Got 32 music. And this is alarm. And the third one is voice. Voice got about 3 or 4 language. Okay, the language is about say hello, welcome. And Mandarin is 你好，欢迎光临. And another one is Assalamualaikum. And yeah, number 4 one is Sawadee-krap. Okay. And here you can select 32 music. You can select from here. Okay. And some more, you got volume to control. Okay. Let me switch on. Okay. You can control the volume. Hello, welcome.
Hello, welcome.
Okay. Sensor is here. Okay, when I move my hand. Okay.
Hello, welcome.
Yes, detect motion.
Welcome.
Okay.
Hello, welcome.
So, you want to control the volume. You press once again. It becomes soft. Okay. Okay. Soft and soft again. Louder lah. Okay. So,
Hello, welcome.
music here, you can select 32 music. Okay, now I switch it to voice, music alarm voice. Okay, now it's voice, human voice.
Hello, welcome.
Okay, and human voice got about 3 language. Okay.
Hello, welcome.
Okay, now you want to change the human voice to another language. Okay, what you do is you press and hold this volume button. Okay,
Hello.
don't release.
Hello, welcome.
Then you close the sensor.
你好，欢
Now it's in Mandarin. Okay, you do the same thing again. Press and hold this volume button. Okay, now I go to Malay. Assalamualaikum. Okay, if I do again, I press and hold. Then you close this sensor. Okay, now come to Sawadikap. Okay, so if you repeat again, same, unless you press and hold again and close the sensor. Okay, if you switch off and switch on again, you go back to hello, welcome.